All right, everybody. So, 4th of July weekend. Happy weekend to everybody for the holiday. I am testing out the Meat Church. If you don't follow them on YouTube, you should definitely check it out. He's awesome. Great tips, beautiful outdoor kitchen and cooking area. Lots of cool stuff, including products and merch. So he gave me an idea to try a overnight brisket. I usually cook them for 8 to 10 hours, but I've never been bold enough to try a 12 or 14 hour 200 degree brisket. And so far, so good. Started this about 2 a.m. last night. It is 2:30 right now, and we want to have it for dinner. So I'm about to wrap it and give it another hour and a half, 2 hours in the butcher paper. Hit it with a little bit of honey and additional seasoning before we finish it off. And then we'll throw it back on probably at 275 just to re-crisp that bark. So yeah, go check out Meat Church, and it looks like this strategy is definitely working out. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Keep it spicy.